What if I told you that you could start making $500 a day using AI? With no audience, no product, and no coding skills? Introduction. Affiliate marketing has changed. With the power of AI, anyone can create viral content and earn recurring commissions on autopilot. Today, I'll walk you through a complete, step-by-step setup to start earning online using only free tools and a smart strategy. Step 1. Pick a profitable niche. The first step is choosing the right niche. Look for markets with high demand, digital products, recurring subscriptions, hot niches in 2025, AI productivity tools, AI investing platforms, AI content creation tools. Step 2. Join affiliate programs. Now, join affiliate programs that actually pay well. Go to platforms like Partner, Stack, Digistore 24, Impact, Click, Bank. Join programs for tools like Pictory.ai, video creation, Jasper, AI copywriting, System.io, funnel builder, Writesonic, text-to-marketing AI. These platforms offer 30% to 50% commissions, often recurring. Step 3. Build a free funnel. Now you need a funnel to capture and convert traffic. Use System.io, it's 100% free to start. Create a one-page landing page. Headline, call out the problem. For example, make videos in 5 minutes with AI. Embed a demo video, made with Pictory. Add a call to action button linking to your affiliate offer. Step 4. Create short videos using AI. Now comes the traffic engine. Use ChatGPT to generate 15 to 30-second scripts like, create a 30-second hook for a TikTok about making money with AI tools. Paste the script into Pictory.ai, and generate a fully edited short video, automatically. Each video can include voiceover, captions, stock footage, music. You don't need to show your face or speak. Step 5. Post daily on YouTube Shorts and TikTok. Post one short video daily on white check mark emoji, TikTok. White check mark emoji, YouTube Shorts. White check mark emoji, Instagram Reels. Hashtags like hashtag make money with AI, hashtag passive income, hashtag affiliate marketing in the bio or description, link to your funnel page. That's where the conversions happen. Step 6. Use email automation to boost profits. System.io also lets you build email automations. Example. Email 1. How I made $100 in a day with AI. Email 2. Top 5 tools I recommend. Email 3. Bonus or limited offer. This keeps converting traffic even after they leave your page. Example. Your first $500 day. Let's say you promote a tool that pays $50 per sign up. If your video gets just 2,000 views, and 10 people click, even 2 conversions equals $100. Now do that across 3 to 5 tools. Your first $500 day is realistic, not a fantasy. Final tips. Don't overthink. Just publish daily. Use AI to speed up every step. Focus on high quality tools with great commissions. Build a long-term list. Email is king. Call to action. Start right now, no excuses. Check the description for all the free tools, affiliate platforms, and templates I personally use. Your first $500 with AI is just one video away. Please leave a like or subscribe.